I'm Gene Wagstaff, founder of Word of God Christian Counseling Center. If I were you and surfing the internet looking for counselors, one of the first questions I would be asking is what makes WOG different than other counseling? Why would I want to go there? I think that's a very good question. What makes us different is that in most cases, we at WOG do not look at the presenting problem as the main issue that we need to deal with. I'd like to give you several examples. First, let's talk about depression. In today's society, depression is very prevalent, and many people are on medication for depression. We at WOG do not see depression as the issue. Depression is usually the result of negative thinking over a long period of time. Therefore, what we're going to do is to focus on resolving your negative thought process as the issue. The negative thinking could be the result of a bad marriage, the death of a loved one, or hurts and pains left over from a childhood. We have found that if we resolve the issue or the issues that result in negative thinking, then the depression goes away. The second example I'd like to talk about is anger and emotional triggers in marriage and other relationships. We don't focus on the anger or the emotional trigger as the issue that we need to deal with. Anger is usually the result of unforgiveness, either for issues in the present or issues in the past. Much of unforgiveness is rooted in our childhood with our parents and others. When we marry, our spouse replaces our mother and father, and those toxic emotions from the past come into the present as emotional triggers with our spouse or others, such as our boss or someone that we work with. The third example is addictions. We are a society addicted to alcohol, drugs, electronic games, shopping, gambling, sex, porn, and we can even be addicted to our work and spend a lot of time at work instead of going home to our loved ones who are waiting for us at home. We don't focus on the addiction here as the issue. Let's use alcohol as an example. If a person is addicted to alcohol, the alcohol or the drugs, shopping, or whatever the behavior is, such as porn, is usually just a means of self-medicating emotional pain. If you resolve the emotional pain, then the need to self-medicate with the addictive behavior goes away. Porn works good for men, as porn immediately distracts the mind from the mental and emotional pain in the present to something that's much more pleasant to think about. And the negative thoughts and emotions temporarily go away. Since the root issue causing the emotions and the negative thoughts have not been resolved, this person will need to self-medicate with the porn over and over and over, or drink the alcohol, or go shopping, each and every time the emotional pain is triggered within them. That's why we call it addiction, because we go to the same thing over and over and over to resolve our negative thinking pattern and what we're feeling. We'd like to help you with these issues. Please give us a call at 246-3551. Again, I'm Gene Wagstaff, founder of WOG Christian Counseling Center.